Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. So I have to go to do this one very fast. I see some people sent me some messages. They said electricity might go around 8. Check my time here. It's 8 minutes to 8. So it means if it goes here, actually we're going to have a trouble. So that's why I just wanted to start with US30. Please, guys, that's why I say you guys sometimes you should think about this before and just subscribe, you see. So, and thanks to everyone who already subscribed. So what do we see, guys? We see that US30 reached this area before. It was a resistance. You can see this area. Now the market came back again. You can see the market came around this area, even here, and now it's here again, which means this might be a very nice support. The market might push up, but if that is not going to be respected, we might see the market going lower. I hope you understand that, guys. So as I told you that I don't want to make this video very long, as the power can just go anytime, and I need to give you this kind of information daily. So on NASDAQ, we also have similar story. The market is just going lower. You can see the market was high, then the market tried to push lower again. And when we check here, we can say we have some areas that we can draw around these areas. Some they can draw something like this, going further like that. But I'm not going to do that. I just need a very strong support, which I don't see at the moment. But we can say, you see this area here. There we see some consolidation. Maybe the market around that area was creating something, but that never made a very big thing. So, but as we see that the market is respecting that area, we can just put a temporary support where the market, if it comes back again, we can say, okay, now this is valid, because we did not see that. And I'm not surprised when the market is selling off. Why? Because the market has been going up for some time, you see. So at the moment, it seems like the market is respecting this area. If this area is respected, we're going to say, okay, now we have a valid support. But remember, we also have this support here, which is also valid. So around this area, you can say, maybe, Kenzo, why don't you draw something like this? Yeah, I see that, but those we're going to have like thousands of counter trends lines. Sometimes you just have to leave that. We see that they do connect if we try them, but we still have a very nice one, because if we do that, we're just going to have so many lines around our chart. So we don't need that. Our chart needs to be clean like this. We see this, it seems to be a support. If it pushes up, you can just place your buy pending order around this area. If not, we will see maybe the market coming around this area, maybe respected. If it's not respected, we might see the market pushing lower, which is possible. It's possible. So let's go to the next one. German 40 or German 30, it doesn't matter how you call it, as long as you understand what's really happening. So here it's quite simple, it's quite straightforward, it's quite easy, and it's similar to what I see on US30. You can see that the market is like trying to push up. The market is pushing up. It's something like this here. You can see that. So even here, you can see that the market created this resistance here. Then the market is coming back around that area again. That's why we might see the market pushing up. But be careful, because we still have our support here. The market, is possible that the market can still reach this area. So when you buy, make sure that when you are in profit, lock your profit, get out as soon as possible, because we are overbought. But that doesn't mean that the market won't push up. The market can still push up. I hope you understand that. We left with 4 minutes. So let's say if maybe the market is going to go down, we can say now you can sell if you see this area broken. Let's say if the market goes below 15,880, it's where maybe you can say maybe now it's time for me to do what? To sell. So if the market is still above, please just relax. I hope the market will still going to push up. We're still on a very nice bullish momentum, guys. We know that the bullish momentum won't go forever, but we are still on bullish momentum. So which one can I add now? Let's go to gold, because it seems like we have 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So on gold, guys, we see that we have broken out of that bearish momentum. The market was moving like this. Then we see the market, even we see the retest. Then the market is now above that resistance, which shows us that the market is uptrending. But for us to have a proper entries, it means we need proper trend lines that make sense. So I think maybe the market is forming something like this. I hope you see that. If that is broken, it's fine, but at the moment it's something that we can check. But the best thing is learn to wait. If you see that the market is not giving you the nice moves, it's time to wait. Just wait. But I see something like this. Maybe we might see something like this. I hope you can see that. Unless if maybe the market is going to break here, maybe we'll see the market going down. But at the moment, this is what I see. I see the market pushing up. So let's check another one. Maybe we left with 2 minutes. US oil. This is bonus, guys. That's why I say please like, share, because we're trying our best to give you the nice content, and sometimes the odds are not in our favor. So US oil, you can see that the market was also on bearish momentum. The market was just pushing lower. Then after the market pushed higher, we see a breakout. And you know what I want here, or what I like about this? I see the market is trying to do that retest. So wait for a retest. Then I see this area maybe might be something, but let's just wait for a proper retest, which is here. Then if the market reaches this area, or even if it doesn't reach this area, as long as we can see that that is a retest, then we can say now the market is ready to go up, and we can just go up with it, you see, because I see this, it will be a nice retest before going higher. So let's check the other one. This today is just bonus, guys. We left with 1 minute. I just want to save this before my network goes off. So on FRANCE40, I see the same thing, guys. This thing is overbought. You can see it's going higher. It's just flying to the moon. So what we want here, actually, we want the market to give us a nice retest. Remember, these things, they just correlate with each other. German 30, US 30, they correlate with each other. That's why we see the same support area here. We see the same support area around this area. That's why now, but this one did not reach our support. But if it reaches this area, we can say, okay, now we're going to buy. Because this higher high here, or the highest point, or the overbought, as long as it can stay for 2 weeks, it's no longer going to be overbought around this area, because the market is now used to these areas. Even if before it was new areas, then the market will get used to this, and we're going to get used to these prices here. Then it's going to be easy for the market to push up. That's why the market, if it reaches a higher area, the market mostly consolidate. When you get used to that area, the market might push up. I hope you understand that. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bam.